In front of me is OPPO Reno4 Z, and let me show you how to close all running apps on this device. So it's super quick and easy operation. If you have gesture navigation, just slide up and hold it for a while, and here you've got all currently open apps. To close all of them, just click on Close All, and that's it. They are no longer in your background. If you have buttons instead gestures, you will find this middle icon. It should be square. Actually, it can be located on right or left side. It's actually up to you how did you previously set them up, but just click on the square icon and you will be able to see recent items as well. And this is it. This is how it works. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.